What up guys, welcome back. Digital Slang back again. Another video today. SOUNDPEATS, the TrueShift 2, another pair of wireless budget earbuds from SOUNDPEATS, who have become one of the best budget earbud makers around. All of this stuff is pretty good quality, and the TrueShift 2 should be no different. We'll check them out. They come in at around 48, 49 bucks. I'll drop the link below, you can check them out, but there's going to be some really good things. And if you're a bass head, you're going to enjoy these. Let's check them out. Inside of the packaging here, there are a bunch of QR codes. You can scan them and you can go and you can follow them for more privileges. They offer a bunch of things, 21-month warranties. You can follow their Facebook, their website, a bunch of other things. Here is the huge, giant charging case. Now this has a 3,000 milliamp battery on it, and we'll get more into this once we start all the testing. And also in the box, we're going to get the USB Type-C to charge, and we're also going to get the small, medium, and large silicone tips, as well as some wing tips to go along with it for that extra fit. And of course, this is the user's manual, the customer care, and a logo update. They did change the logo. The old SOUNDPEATS logo looks now like this, which I actually dig this logo a lot better. I think it looks really sharp, really cool. And if you follow superheroes, it's going to remind you of the Superman logo. It's pretty dope. I dig it. And I dig the case. I dig the matte black color. All right, if we take a look at the case, the SOUNDPEATS is TrueShift 2 matte black. I dig the color. We do have their new logo on the top. On the front here, it does say SOUNDPEATS on the front. And if you open this up, you will see you're going to have an input and an output for USB Type-C right here. So not only can I charge these up and get the crazy battery on here, 100 hours of juice, but you can plug in your phone if you want to charge them. You could use this as a portable power bank. So very cool from SOUNDPEATS. I kind of dig that, and that's why this case is so big, because of the 3,000 milliamp battery in it, and that's why you're going to get that good juice, that good battery life on these. Well, on the case, battery life on the earbuds themselves is about 5 hours. And you can see here the LED lights on the front. Each LED light will represent about 25% of battery life on your buds. Now these are Bluetooth 5.0, IPX7 waterproof, so you can take them in the rain, you can take a shower in them, go swimming in them, drop them in water, whatever you want to do. They are waterproof. So what you're getting right now for the price, it's a very good deal already before we even start the testing. And if these things sound pretty good, then it's going to be a great deal. These also will support the touch controls, and the touch controls will control everything, including volume. And if you follow the channel, you know I dig that. I always like earbuds that I can control the volume from. I never have to take my phone out of my pocket. But let's connect them, start the testing, and check them out. Now you're going to connect these the same way you would on an iOS device or an Android device. If you take these out, you go into Bluetooth. It's going to pop up on the bottom, SOUNDPEATS TrueShift 2. And you can use one at a time as well. We are connected. Let's throw them in, start the testing. Sound-wise on here, these things sound really good. Everything is crystal clear. The bass hits, the highs and the mids, it's all nice and even. Nothing is lost. I think they sound really good. At 48 bucks, they sound fantastic. I'm used to, I test a lot of clones on this channel, so I get used to that sound of a clone, and that's kind of what I expect now. Just because it's become a habit, I expect a certain sound when I throw in a pair of earbuds. And when I get a sound like this, it kind of makes me excited. I get happy. I feel like a little kid again sometimes when I hear something that sounds as good at this price. Remember, you're only paying about 48 bucks for these, and they sound really good. If you're a bass head, you're going to like these. Honestly, any sound profile you like, you're going to like these. They're great for the price. They sound really good. Next test, we're going to jump into YouTube, check out the latency. No delay between the audio and video, and that's what I expected with a pair of SOUNDPEATS wireless earbuds. No delay between audio and video. We are going to try out the mics, check out the mics, see how they sound. What up guys, the mic test, the SOUNDPEATS TrueShift 2, another pair of wireless earbuds. SOUNDPEATS quickly becoming one of the best budget earbuds you can get your hands on. Let me know how the mic sounds. Now, touch controls, the way touch controls work. Again, they control everything, including the volume. So the way they work, you can see here on the phone, if we just tap it once, the volume goes down. And on the other bud, if we do that, the volume's gonna go up. And it's very smooth. I'm not hitting these hard at all. And if we double tap, it's going to pause it. If we double tap again, it's going to play. If we triple tap, it's going to activate your voice assistant, whether you are using iOS or Android. And to skip to the next track, you would just touch and hold, and it will go to the next track. And on these, of course, you will touch and hold, and it will go back to the previous track. That started that song over. Went back. Went back. So touch controls control everything, and it works really well, very smooth. These are a legit, really solid pair of $48 earbuds. The TrueShift 2s from SOUNDPEATS. Let's talk about the good and we'll talk about the bad. And I really don't have anything bad to say about it because I like everything about these earbuds. So the good, the charging case itself, right? It's a big case, so maybe the one gripe is it might not fit in your pocket and be the most comfortable thing in your pocket. But at the same time, think about what you're getting. You're getting basically a portable power bank. You can charge your phone from it. And you're getting crazy life, crazy battery life with the charging case. Again, 5 hours of juice on the earbuds and 100 hours, which means you can charge these earbuds 20 times with the case, which is ridiculous for the price. Again, 3000 milliamp battery in the case itself. The sound quality, the sound of these things are legit. They sound fantastic. If you like bass, if you like that thump, you're going to love these. And again, like I said before, any kind of sound profile you like, these are going to do the job at this price point. No delay between audio and video. And the touch controls. The touch controls work really well and they control everything, including the volume. I don't have anything bad to say. USB Type-C to charge, the extra silicone tips with the wing tips, and it's waterproof. IPX7 waterproof. What more can you ask for at this price point? I think at this price point, these things are a hit. The SOUNDPEATS, the TrueShift 2s. Check them out, guys. I'll drop the link below.